Hi, today we're going to talk about strength and stability in 4 different standing poses: Warrior One, Warrior Two, Triangle, and Side Angle. So starting in Warrior One, we're going to take the right foot and bring it forward toward the front of your mat. Step the left foot about a leg length apart. And rotating the foot out to the side about 45 degrees. You want to line up the right heel with the left heel so you have a little bit more side to side stability. Press the left foot into the floor, engaging the glutes, engaging the quads, and bend your right knee. You want the knee to be right over the ankle. And as you bend the knee, you want to make sure you're not leaning forward. The shoulders stay over the hips. The torso moves forward as a unit as you bend that right knee by pressing that left foot back. The arms come up overhead, but are a little bit forward. So the shoulder blades go down and apart so you can see your biceps in your peripheral vision. Feeling equal effort through both legs. The quads are working, the glutes are working, the abdominals are working. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And then opening to Warrior Two. Press the right thigh to the right to move the left hip to the left, and then press down to horizontal. I find pressing down allows you to relax the upper traps and engage the lower traps, which is what you want, feeling those shoulder blades going down and wide. Making sure the hips aren't flat to the side because that turns the knee in, which is not great for the knee. So the knee stays over the ankle and the left hip comes as far back as is available to you while keeping that right leg stable. The rib cage can rotate the rest of the way, shoulder blades down the back. So it gives the illusion of side, even though the hips are aiming on a slight diagonal. Like in Warrior One, you want to make sure not to tip forward. The pelvis is vertical. Spine is vertical, arms are horizontal. Eventually that right thigh is horizontal, but that may or may not happen today. Gaze goes over that right third finger. And then moving into triangle, press the right heel into the floor to engage the quads. This will support the knee. Now you're going to tip the pelvis. Coming to the side, right hand touches the right leg, left arm goes up. Making sure that when you move to the side, it's the pelvis that moves, that you're not side bending. It's not the rib cage that moves. The ribs stay in line with the pelvis and the pelvis tips. Ribs just come along for the ride. The hamstring will be the limiting factor here. The more stretch you have in your hamstring, the more tip you can have to the side. And then right hand just touches the right leg. You're not leaning on it. Legs are supporting you. Right hand touches, left arm goes up, and then maybe your gaze goes up at your left thumb. If not, maybe it goes down at your right thumb. Feel the left rib cage spinning toward the ceiling. So you'll feel those obliques kick in. Feel the quads working. Feel the glutes working. Press that outer left foot into the floor. And then moving from triangle to side angle. Right knee bends. Elbow comes to the knee. And then left arm reaches over your head. So we have the legs of Warrior Two, the tip of the pelvis and the rib rotation of triangle pose. And then that left shoulder blade goes wide to the left, just like Warrior One. In this position, the pinky finger's kind of aiming for the floor instead of both palms facing each other, but that shoulder orientation is the same. Feeling that left foot connecting into the floor as you reach out through the left fingers, spinning the left ribs to the ceiling while pressing the knee over the ankle. Try not to collapse into that right shoulder. Press the knee against the thigh to lift the rib cage away from the thigh. Side angle. I hope that was helpful. It's up to you to repeat it on the other side. Have a great day.